When I try to turn on to the computer, laptop, it says it comes to the blinks and shows this type of this. So I'm going to show you the solution. So for this, you just have to tap on the power button for 10 seconds so that it can shut down. Yep. And then when it's shut down, you have to press on the power button just for once. So when it tends to start, you have to press on Control and R immediately and hold it for a while until it shows the screen. So it's still taking time. So instead of Wi-Fi, I'm gonna turn on my hotspot, and with the hotspot, I'm gonna try with my hotspot from here. So my hotspot is not showing yet. So I will try with my hotspot so that it might work, because with my home internet it didn't work. Maybe if you in case of yours as well, if it didn't work, try opening a hotspot and connecting to it, because usually with the home internet it doesn't work. Might be because of the um, internet speed, might be. Yep. So with the personal hotspot, it started working, like it started internet recovery. So it might take time. I'll pause the video. Alright, after that it comes to the screen. Many people told me that while we try to reinstall, we have to reinstall it. So while we try to reinstall the Mac OS, so many people has faced that there is no any partition hard drive partition available to install the Mac OS. So for that you have to go to the Mac disk utility, and you have to continue, and then what you have to do is you have to go to there might be something, it's on title, there might be some name, and you just have to erase that. So after you erase, you can come back using Control Q, and then you can go back to reinstall. So you have to erase that, then the partition will automatically be created. And I'm going to reinstall Mac OS. I'm going to show you in the next step. Let's connect to the Wi-Fi, because I can't bear anymore data. So I'm going to join other network so that so I'm connected to the my home Wi-Fi. You can see that. So now what's next is I'm going to continue installing Mac OS Mozilla. I'm gonna agree the license agreement, so that, and you can see now there is some, you select the disk where you want to install the Mac OS, and you can see the disk. So before you didn't see the disks, it's written that select the disk, but it won't show any disks to us. After we format that, we will be able to find the disk, like you can see, and then I'm going to install that in the disk available disk. Yep. So it kind of took me around 18 minutes. I'm going to stop the video for 18 minutes. I'll be back. So it's good to go. You can just set up the laptop. This is really continue. Just do the things like this. Keep on. Like this. It took me around 45 minutes. So after then, it's good to go. It's all running. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please go for it. To subscribe, please feel free to comment down below if you have any more queries. Thanks, mate.